A couple of months ago, Samsung introduced the Galaxy Tab Active2, a tablet that's specifically designed for industrial workers. The sturdy tablet that's waterproof and shockproof has made a name in the world of tablets for its durability, and today we're going to be talking all about that in this video. Welcome to All Hands on Tech. I'm Shruti Shekhar. The Galaxy tablet is mainly designed for restaurants, hospitals, delivery companies, construction workers, or those working in heavy-duty industries. And it is very evident that the design is made for these industries. The 8-inch tablet comes with a heavy-duty rubber cover that also has a small holder for the S Pen, which also comes with the tablet. Now, this isn't a personal use tablet, and it's very evident because of the weightiness of the tablet, and that's okay because the physical design is made to be durable for all conditions. The tablet has an IP68 rating, making it water and dust resistant. In fact, Samsung says on its website that it can survive for half an hour in 5-foot deep water, which is pretty amazing. It added that the tablet was subjected to 21 rigorous tests and passed on drops, shocks, vibrations, high and low temperatures, humidity, and high altitudes. It should be noted though that if you do happen to get it wet, and I mean submerged in water, you actually have to take the cover off and let the tablet dry off completely before you can use it again. There's a warning sign that comes on that indicates it needs time to recover. The tablet has a special glove mode that allows workers in different industries to use the tablet while still wearing protective hand gear made from different materials. Now, I'm not a construction worker or a researcher in a hospital, but using the tablet just for testing purposes, I could tell it was very easy and simple to use. And I think that's the point. Samsung clearly made the tablet simple and easy to use for those working in industries that don't require complicated features. Let's talk about the camera quality. The tablet has a rear-facing 8-megapixel camera with a flash, and it has a 2-megapixel front-facing camera. So, I mean, it's not the greatest quality camera, but when you're on site and you need to take a quick photo of something, it does the job perfectly well. It also helps when you're trying to take a picture of a document to try and send to your coworkers. But if your job depends on high quality images, then maybe this tablet isn't the right one for you. The battery life is also pretty good, and it can last up to 11 hours, which is very good. It's also very important to note that the battery can actually be replaced while you're working. So while you're in the field and it runs out of battery, just pop the back open and change the batteries. The Active2 is capable to connect over Wi-Fi, but also has LTE connectivity, so you can really take this tablet anywhere and still be connected. The cool thing about the device is that you can install third-party applications, and that means augmented reality capabilities. It makes working in specific industries efficient and better. The tablet also has facial recognition, so again, if you're in a field, you can unlock it simply by getting a face scan. I want to talk a little bit about the S Pen that comes with the tablet. It also has a rugged appearance and feel. It's durable and it doesn't require charging, which is incredibly helpful when you're on site and you're doing a lot of work with it. The pen-to-tablet accuracy is fantastic, making filling out forms, writing notes, and documents very easy. It's also good to note that the pen is also water resistant. This tablet isn't really a leisure tablet, meaning it's not the best tablet to be playing games on or watching YouTube videos. I mean, you totally can do those things, but not only will the battery drain, but the experience isn't as great. Overall, this is a great tablet for those working in very specific industries. It's priced at $699.99. So what do you guys think? Leave us a comment in the section below and tell us your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. You're watching All Hands on Tech, and I'm Shruti Shekhar.